Hey everyone, welcome to Ghaneva Edge channel. It's your sign to start mini importation business today because you know what? Dollar don't drop down in Ghana. So it's your sign to start importing things because when you're importing things outside the country and the dollar is really humbled, then you need to start with that same business as well. So this is a video that I'm doing to encourage someone today that if you're someone you really want to try online businesses and you don't know how to start or go about it, then you are in the right place. You need to start doing mini importation business because dollar has finally dropped and everything has become more cheaper as well. And if you want to know how you can go about this mini importation, how to start and everything, I have a lot of videos on the channel. Go to my channel, check my playlist. I have videos on my products are from 1688. I have tutorials on Alipay account. I have tutorials on other apps as well. Or if you don't want to be searching here and there and you want a quick one, I have a course on this channel about mini importation that you will get this and that, a course package plus bonuses, tips that you get from me, 3 months free mentorship, and you will get 50 plus Chinese suppliers tested and verified as well. Plus, you are going to get key suppliers contact and how you can ship it. That's the shipping companies in Turkey to get to your location as well. So please do well to start going to mini importation today because I really started small. I started with nothing and I can say I have something today, especially that I can share something with you on this channel as well. So it's your sign to start importing things outside the country, not only in China, can be Turkey, Bangladesh, Nigeria. So please do well to check the course if you can afford it. If you can't, you can check my videos on the channel to guide you on how you can start mini importation business. Please do well, do some business online today because the dollar has really been reduced before it increased again. This is your sign to start something and in something honest on the online space. I'll see you in the next video. This is a short video, and do well to take your personal growth journey very serious. So do well to subscribe to the channel as well. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please stay very, very focused. Bye.